I'm going to show you how to do the increases on the Libby Shawl, which you can see up here, and those are worked with an increase called the knit one, yarn over, knit one. And also how to do this textured stitch, which is done with a knit one below. Now I've begun the pattern. I knit the stockinette stitch tab and have picked up stitches and have worked the first 3 rows, and now I'm starting on row 4, which will be increases and using the knit one below. So I've knit the first 3 stitches and slipped my marker. In this first stitch we're going to do an increase. So we insert our needle, knit a stitch, but leave this on the left hand needle. Then we do a yarn over, and then we knit back into the stitch and slip it off. So 1 stitch has become 3 stitches, and we do this on each end of this center section. So in the middle we're doing the knit one, knit below. So we knit 1 stitch. In the next stitch we don't go into the loop that's on the needle, but we go 1 stitch below and insert our needle and knit that and slip it off. And that gives us really a brioche-like stitch. So we'll do that again, knit 1 and then knit below, and we're going into this stitch right underneath the stitch that is on the needle. Knit 1. Again, we're knitting below, so not here, but in the space right below, in the stitch below. Then this row ends with a knit 1 and a knit 1 yarn over. A knit 1 yarn over, knit 1. So again, we're going to knit the 1 stitch, yarn over the needle, and then go back in and knit a 2nd stitch. So 1 stitch becomes 3, and then we slip off the needle. That's how you work the increases on the Libby Shawl and the knit one below. Thank you for watching. See you soon.